Money, 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 money. So we are somewhere in the middle of 2022 and a lot of young guys are looking for money online. A lot of young ladies are also looking for money online. Now I'm going to show you a very simple way you can make money online. This strategy really works. Like, it actually works for me. This is something I've been doing myself over the past 6 years, and it has given me some money. Alright guys, I have my phone here. I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, now the first thing that I want you to do is to download an app we call Gigi. I've left the link down there in the description. Just go and check it out. Just get to Play Store, type Gigi. There's Gigi Ghana, there's Gigi Nigeria. Those are the two I know. So if you're in Nigeria, you can also do this. Just download the Gigi app. If you're in Ghana, you can also download the Gigi app and use. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. So that's why it says open. So you open it, and if you're opening it for the first time, you will be asked to create an account. So just create your account using your email address. It's very simple. All that you have to do is to enter your email address and set up your password, and then you are good to go. All right, so like you can see, I have already set up my account. This is my profile here, and you can see I have some clients and I have some followers. You can actually allow people to follow you, and you can actually follow people. Now what the Gigi app does is that Gigi is a place where you can sell. It's a platform where you can post products to reach millions of people around the globe. Now this is the idea. If you don't have any money to start a business, if you're a young guy, if you're a young lady, you don't have any money to start a business, this is the strategy. You have friends around you. There are businesses around, okay? So if you have someone who sells a bag, or if you're a guy and you have someone who sells cars, or like someone who sells instruments, someone who sells electronics, or any of those things, all right? You can just go to them, speak to them. So like you go to them, and for example, if you have someone who sells phones, you go to them and you're like, I want to sell your phone for you. I can sell your phone for you. But then we have to talk about how much I'll be getting if I sell your phone for you. So now, like, the person is selling the phone for 1,500 Ghana cedis. You can speak to the person, and then the person will give it to you at 1,450 Ghana cedis. Now, if you are going to post this advert on Gigi, you can decide to post it at 1,600 Ghana cedis, so that you can make a difference of 150 Ghana cedis. All right, so it's basically simple. Just find people around you, people who sell, people who have stuff around you. Just log on to the Gigi app, and then make sure you post the things they are selling. It will reach out to a lot of people to buy them from you. All right, so what you are doing is that you serve as a middleman to the owners, or maybe like to the sellers and to the buyers. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so if you have your Gigi app this way, you have the item with you, you can just take very nice pictures. Look, make sure you are doing this and you are taking it to the next level. So don't just take any pictures. Make sure you are taking really good pictures, and make sure you are selling original items. Okay, so just get on the Gigi app. You must have taken your photographs already. So you hit sell right here in the middle. Now I actually have a phone, my friend's phone, that I want to sell. Okay, so I've taken snapshots already. So you come to category. This is a phone, all right? So you come to category, and then you scroll down. I choose mobile phones and tablets, and then I'm going to go right here and choose mobile phones, all right? And then you have to add as many pictures as you can. So very nice pictures. So here are some of the photographs that I took. Okay, as you can see, very, 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 very nice photographs of the phone. So I select them. I have selected 10 photographs. All right, so I'm just going to pick them. It will load. I'll open the photographs for you to see how nice they are. So look at this. You can see on the screen here, very nice photograph. I have a very nice table, and I have this flower vase. I try to make sure that the photographs are very attractive, and then everything is on point, like so. So I come here, and then I select my region. I select the brand. So the brand is Samsung. The model is Samsung S9. So I can just type here S9 right here. Condition is used, and then now it says select second condition, no cracks. The RAM is 4 gig. So you must know all this information about the products that you are actually posting online. Okay, so internal storage is 64 gigabytes, and the screen size, which I'm not really sure, and it's not required by Gigi. Okay, so you can actually leave it. I select the color black, and then the SIM is just a single nano SIM. And then delivery, would you want to deliver the product yourself, or you would like your buyers to come and meet you somewhere to take it? So I'm just going to deliver it myself. And then you can put in the details there. So I can just say Samsung Galaxy S9, very neat with no cracks. Okay, then okay, S should be capital, S9 UK used. Okay, very neat with no cracks. That's all to it. I'm done. Oops, sorry, that's the delivery details. I don't have to put it there, so I'm going to cut that and put it here. All right, so then the price. Okay, my friend was actually selling it for 1,350 Ghana cedis. Okay, so he decided to give me a discount by giving it to me for 1,300 cedis, and so I'm just going to say 1,400 Ghana cedis, so that I can get a difference of 100 Ghana cedis. Now I would like for people to negotiate with me on the price, so I'm just going to check this box so that if someone speaks to me, I can actually give it to the person for 1,380 Ghana cedis. All right, so I can do this. And then Gigi has a premium subscription. All right, so you can subscribe to their premium and become a premium member, so that your adverts would come first. Okay, but if you've not gotten to that level and you're now starting, you can actually post for free. So I'm just going to say post adverts, and then this is how it looks like. You can see very, very attractive with my name and everything there. Now I already have some adverts here, and if you come to the analytics, you can see that I posted this not long ago, and I have 793 visitors. I have 11 people who have actually chatted me, and I have 30 people who have actually called me to negotiate with me on the price of this particular thing that I'm selling. And guys, this really works. This can give you some money. This can give you some real good cash. So that's all to it. Look, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to assist you if you encounter any challenges. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I know you loved it. Because of that, just hit the thumbs up icon, and if you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button to become part of this amazing family. I'll catch you in the next video.